Today we are at the HR Summit to talk about strategic recruitment in a very difficult market.
The buzzword is AI. We are moving towards an AI business. We are moving towards AI skill set, and I guess for me it's becoming more apparent how the orthodox way of doing recruitment needs to transform into a different way, at the same time not losing the human touch in how we do stuff.
So the focus was really on talent acquisition. It was on understanding some of the challenges we're dealing with, how we're tackling recruitment in quite a challenging economy, how we're looking at candidates' experience and using data to basically help us with recruitment.
So obviously we all know that we are dealing with difficulties in our current market, and having FirstRand and Newton here as market leaders in their respective fields was a great highlight for me, that they are understanding things like EVP, data analytics and insights, how to strategically source using AI. So all of these things were super important for us and for everyone viewing the session to understand how strategic this is in our very difficult market.
The employee journey is changing to go into, if HR is a consumer, if the candidate is a consumer, how should we be treating them to give them that seamless experience, to give them an experience that is tension and risk-free, and to make sure that we keep giving them feedback all the time, and that we profile them and we look at their needs as compared to the organization convenience.
AI must not be feared. We've got to find ways that we can utilize it to the benefit of what we need to achieve. We've got to start with that first process of just making that first step. Use ChatGPT just to write a great job ad, to actually get it to convert your job ad into a good Boolean search string. That's the fundamental of where we need to start.
The unemployment factors in South Africa, the challenges that we face as industry experts in HR industry in terms of high unemployment rates, skill shortages, and what we can do to potentially address those. And then I also spoke about retention being a prominent theme, and the fact that well-being is such an important element of any HR strategy, making sure that employees are engaged, and for top talent specifically, keeping them within your organization is so important. So those were the basic trends I spoke about.
We've been interacting with a lot of HR professionals during the course of today. It's been absolutely amazing to interact with them and to get to know them. And we've been speaking about stuff like how AI affects the recruitment industry, and basically just like insights and talent management.